Our friends up north, well, they are still dealing with the cold. Officials in the Northeast are really working feverishly to restore electricity in the aftermath of this week's historic bomb cyclone blizzard. Thousands in the region are still without power this morning. The massive storm paused travel, making roads icy and treacherous and really affecting other modes of travel as well. More than 10,000 U.S. flights were canceled from Sunday to Tuesday.
Because typically when I leave from Philadelphia, it's a 2-leg trip. This time it's a 3-leg trip, so I'll be traveling through Denver, Colorado, then to Phoenix, then to Albuquerque. And I just saw that there is another impending snowstorm, which will coincide with my return on Thursday.
Oh boy, they can't catch a break up there. Tuesday alone saw more than 2,000 cancellations.